high-efficiency mass transfer starts with the right packing. In this video, we break down the key advantages of AITE metal structured packing, engineered for maximum surface area, minimal pressure drop, and superior liquid distribution. Why it performs high specific surface area 125Y到700Y series for efficient separation, low pressure drop 等于 low energy costs, excellent liquid distribution, minimal wall flow. 316L304 stainless steel specialty alloys for harsh environments. Precision formed corrugated sheets with 45°, 60° angles, where it's used distillation columns, absorbers, strippers, and scrubbers across chemical, petrochemical, and environmental applications. Built in our Wuji Smart Factory in Pingxian, China, every pack is manufactured to tight tolerances and tested for performance.